Goldston y gic hir. Yn cyrraedd Llyr Morris. Morris ar as heibio Miles Hart. Morris yn mynd i'r llawr. Mae dyfarnwr yn chwythu chwiban. Pa liw fydd y cerdyn fan hyn. Mae'n mynd i'w boced ôl ac mae'n gerdyn coch i Miles Hart o Treffynnon. Wedi dim ond 5 munud yma. Mae'n mynd i fod yn bnawn hir i dîm Johnny Hasseldin. Bol o Cele yn ildio'r meddiant. A dyma'r capten Dan Andrews. Tuag at Jamie Breeze. Breeze yn trio codi'r bel i gyfeiriad Andrews. Mae'n cyrraedd Andrews. A dyma Gareth Evans. Evans, yr ergyd yn gwiro. A Dan Goldston yn ymestyn i ddal gafal ar y bel. Llyr Morris yn brwydro fel mae'n gwneud yn aml. Yn colli'r bel yn fanna. Dyma Harry Martin. Martin allan at Callum Butler. Butler, ergyd sydd at French. O, ac yna Harry Martin yn wyllt dros y trawst. Cyfle gorau Ruthin yn mynd y wastraff. Joel Giblin, chydig o le gan Osian Davies yng nghanol cae, codi ben yn chwilio am Llyr Morris, y bel trwyl at y blaenwr, ac mae'n nghefn yr hwyd! 88 o funudau ar y cloc, a siawns bod Llyr Morris wedi ennill y gêm i Ruthin. Davies ar bas, Jay Cook yn methu clirio, 8fed gol y tymor i Llyr Morris. Da ni'n hwyr i mewn i'r amser sydd wedi cael ei ychwanegu ar ddiwedd y gêm, y croesiad i fewn i'r cwrt, y peniad gan Williams, ac ynodd Sullivan i ymateb, ac unioni'r sgôr yn yr eiliadau ola. Drama hwyr yma yn Ruthin. Maen nhw'n gofyn os oedd 'na gam sefyll, mae'r lliman di aros lawr, mae Treffynnon yn gyfartal. A'r rheolwr yn deud diolch yn fawr Danny Sullivan. Os da un cyfle hwyr, y gic rhydd di chymryd yn sydyn. Y croesiad i seli fewn. Winsley ar ergyd, mae'n cael ei arbed gan Goldston. A'r bel yn cael ei chlirio gan Ruthin. Giblin yn dianc, a dyna'r chwiban ola am gêm gyffroes yma'n Ruthin. Mae'n gorffen yn gyfartal, a Treffynnon yn dringo i frig y Nghynghrair.
John, 85 minutes with 10 men. Do you consider that a point game?
I think so, yeah. You know, credit to the lads. They're outstanding for 85 minutes. I don't think if anyone's turned up after the red card, I don't think anyone could tell if we were down to 10. Obviously, then it was just a case of trying to stay in it, but also carrying our threats going forward. We said at half-time, look, if we can't win it, we'll keep trying to win the game, but if we can't, then we don't lose it. And, you know, and that's what they've done. They've carried that out, and they were exceptional, and they deserved the point that they got today.
Danny, at the end, it's a point gained.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. It's a never say die attitude that the club have instilled, like, and it could prove massive towards the end of the season now. So we'll take that after going down to 10 after 10 minutes, maybe less. But
yeah, you played. I think I made it 85 minutes with 10 men.
Felt longer.
Yeah, felt longer. Yeah. On a difficult pitch as well.
Yeah, especially with the wind as well. So it was a tough graft, but got there in the end, and probably could have nicked it at the end there as well. So, but we'll take the point and move on to Tuesday now. So
gutted would be overly critical of where we are at the moment and the journey we've gone on. I mean, I've said to the players in there that if them goals go in a different order, then that changing room is over the moon. We took the champions elect to the 96th minute, so yeah, I'm still at a phase where I'd say I'm more proud of the players of that performance, that result. I mean, I know Holywell went down to 10 men early, but they haven't won 14 games on the bounce for no reason.
For Morris felt more quick, really. Only mal 88th minute off. Maybe cael y win efo yma, then concede a bit 90 plus 4-5. Bechod, really, ond then cymryd tro gyntaf nhw dropio points dyma, there's 15-16 games, so hynny gymryd good praise allan hynna, lle ond dal disappointing yn diwedd.
So after today's result, it looks like it's between you and Flint for the championship. It's going to be a nervy end to the season.
No, I don't think nerves is the right word to say about it. We know what's in front of us. We have done all along, you know, and from the first day we've said, you know, you win your games and the table look after itself. We're in that position now, and that doesn't change going into Gillsfield, and it won't change going into any of the other games we've got remaining. We just want to go into the next one, giving 100%, showing we know what a Holywell Town performance looks like. You've seen it today in a different kind of respect, and we'll go again Tuesday, and we'll be giving everything we can to try and get them 3 points.